Welcome back to another wig slide with Tierra J. I like that. I'm gonna start using it. Today's video is sponsored by Supernova Hair. I'll be showing you guys all the details on this beautiful burgundy wig, girl. So click that link down below to check out Supernova's information. And if you're interested in watching this red slide, Lil Red, I'm calling her Lil Red, go ahead and stay tuned. So this time I wanted to try something different and use the airbrush legs method for the whole bleach knot thing. I've seen a lot of people do this. The latest video I saw was my girl Shanice. Shout out to my boo, Shanice the Curl. Make sure to check her out. And her lace was just melted. And I was like, you know what? Instead of using foundation and stuff, why have I not tried this? So look at that. Look how good the coverage is. Like, sick, right? So I'm like, this is such a good idea. Let me get on it. I know I'm a little late with this one, but let me go ahead and try it. With it being my first time, I did kind of make a mess, but I would definitely say that you want to spray kind of far back and try not to get it on the hair. I don't know, girl, it's gonna make a mess regardless, but it ain't that hard to really get out the hair. I did like spray the hair a little bit, but it wasn't too hard to get out. All I did was comb it out. And you definitely want to make sure that this stuff dries. So blow dry, blow dry, blow dry, or it will be messy. So blow dry, I blow dried it after I did the spray, and then I went in with the Got to Be Glue Free spray, right, chill. And I guess this basically seals it all in so it don't, transfer, and it can, seal it in basically. And I blow dried it again. So here's how it turned out, and y'all, you can't tell me this ain't a scalp. You can't tell me I ain't bleached my knots. Like, I don't know why I've never done this before. Like, this is absolutely genius. And so I went ahead and tightened my bands, plopped that wig on my head, and I just have to say this is probably my top favorite wig just because of the fit. Like, girl, the ears. Let's talk about the ears real quick, because this is such an important thing about wigs that we don't really talk about. But like, when it's too much baggage around the ears, that's my main pet peeve with wigs, because it itches, it's just in the way, and it's uncomfortable. But this wig, I like how the lace stretched pretty far to where you could cut all of that off and you literally don't have anything bulky at your ears. So it was super, super, super comfortable. That's why this is like my top favorite wig, seriously. So then I went ahead and semi-melted down my hairline. I don't be doing too much when it comes to the melt down. So I'm using the freeze spray, and I'm just going to use that to basically hold it down in place. It's not nothing, you could take it off right at night, But I just spray that like right on the hairline. It's honestly a good idea. Y'all will see me do this a little later, to part the hair, like part the baby hairs out the way, and then spray in between the baby hairs and stuff, because I kind of made a mess. I had to do a little cleanup with all the spray just dripping down and stuff. But this is definitely a great way to just hold your wig in place just for the day. Like I said, you can take it off. You can even leave it on if you wrap it down at night. But y'all know me, I don't be wearing wigs forever like that. And I learned this method from Ivy. I always see her use like the freeze spray just right on the edges, and it really sticks it. It really holds it down, and it's really easy to come off. Honestly, you can snatch it off. Even though I wouldn't recommend that, but I'm just saying I might have snatched off, a freeze down wig or two in my day. But here I'm just cutting off that lace. Y'all can see, oh my god, perfect around my ears. Like, I was so excited about that. And y'all can see here what I was talking about, parting the baby hair out the way and then spraying right there. Like, do you see that, scalp? Do you see that? Okay, that was such an easy way to get this spray on there, because it is a little bit of a mess, and then you want to try to make sure that spray kind of goes backward and not forward, you know what I'm saying, because it can get a little messy. But this method is everything. So the last easy step is just to create my baby hairs, and I'm just cutting them down using my eyebrow razor. And I like using my eyebrow razor because it gives it like a nice little wispy feel or whatever. And then I'm just gelling my baby hairs down with the Got To Be Glued clear gel. Now that combined with the freeze spray did make a little of a mess. That's the, you know, cleanup I was talking about. I had to go in like with the wet towel to kind of dab it off, but the end result are fire. And my wig was on, honey. It was on that whole day until I decided I wanted to take it off. But as y'all can see, the wig ain't going nowhere. Do you see it? Do you see it, girl? And that Sally Hansen stuff is the truth. Like, everything just blended so beautifully. You can still kind of see the grids, but for the most part, like, it looks like you got your knots bleached. It looks just so good. So I'm just using my blow dryer to get that wig nice and flat. Got my little part set in, and voila. And this is the hair with no product, no nothing done to it, no curls, just brush through. That's it. I love this hair so much. The quality is amazing. I did go in and add a little argan oil to give it some shine, and that is all I did. I did no curling, no nothing, no nothing. Okay, all I did was brush through it. I like the natural wave of this wig. I think it's just so natural looking. As y'all can see, baby daddy, he approved. He was feeling a little red, okay? And y'all can see that argan oil just made the color like really pop and brought out that shine. But other than that, I did nothing to this hair at all. Like I said, I like the natural texture to it. Just beautiful. So if you're interested in this wig, make sure to click those links down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.